The era of pure experimentation with artificial intelligence has shifted toward a rigorous scrutiny of the bottom line. Today, AI is expected to function as an active driver of corporate revenue and cost reduction. This chart shows these expectations translating into reality. 69% of IT leaders report measurable ROI, with workflow automation and autonomous agents providing the most unambiguous results so far. These automated workflows are succeeding because they move beyond simple generation. They provide analytical support and independent decision-making for complex, multi-step tasks. However, this efficiency comes with a hidden structural cost. These AI workloads are making IT infrastructure more complex to manage, and they have become a primary force behind rising cloud expenditure. For 31% of organizations, these infrastructure costs are mounting without producing a measurable financial return to justify the spend. This gap in performance suggests a specific organizational trait separates companies extracting value from AI from those merely absorbing hardware costs. Successful organizations prioritize a disciplined approach to measurement. They build specific frameworks to monitor the business impact of AI rather than relying on experimental hype. This chart shows that 35% of technology leaders view the ability to strictly measure that return as the single capability that most distinguishes them from their peers. When measurements fail, it points to the business context gap, the chasm between sophisticated technical models and actual operational gears. The consensus is overwhelming. 77% of leaders agree that deep business context is critical for AI to produce relevant outputs. Despite that consensus, these donut charts reveal a significant operational struggle. 53% of organizations admit they find it difficult to translate their specific business processes into the workflows that AI systems require. Deploying a technical model without encoding the daily reality of the business prevents the system from solving real problems. Without built-in expertise, AI analytics cannot define which problems to solve or turn insights into practical decisions. Closing the context gap requires moving AI strategy away from isolated IT departments and toward cross-functional collaboration. The data supports this shift. 71% of IT leaders report that their AI initiatives are most effective when IT and business teams collaborate closely on the implementation. This blue donut chart highlights the most effective management structure. 66% of enterprises say AI and agentic systems perform best when they are managed at the line of business level. Achieving a return on AI investment depends on transferring day-to-day management from centralized silos directly into the hands of domain experts. The bridge between IT and business functions serves as the technical foundation for the next major shift in the industry, agentic AI. Industry confidence in this transition is high. This chart shows that 93% of technology leaders are confident that autonomous AI agents will deliver measurable ROI for their enterprise within the next 2 years. However, current adoption is stalled by two primary barriers. 40% of leaders lack clear processes for managing agents, and 26% cite a lack of trust in autonomous AI decision-making. Trust in these systems is only possible if specific corporate governance and business rules are first deeply encoded into the data layer that the AI uses to make decisions. Our research identified a distinct 7% of organizations who self-identify as leading innovators, currently outperforming their peers in AI maturity. Figure 10 breaks down why they are ahead. 26% cite a clear discipline around measuring impact, and 25% treat the AI rollout as a top strategic and operational priority, rather than a standard technical upgrade. When organizations move beyond treating AI as a standard infrastructure purchase and begin empowering individual business units with governed self-serve data tools, they ensure that every automated decision is grounded in the operational context of the business.